Hello guys, so here I am about to go to campus, so I just wake up. I got ready to make my bed and I hit my pillow so that the dust on the pillow disappear. So after I made my bed, I rushed to the bathroom to clean my body and get ready to go to campus. This time, I went to campus with my friend named Fatima. This is my classmate. This time, I have a morning class. After a few minutes of our journey, we were finally almost there and we both see the campus get a little farther. The campus that can also be seen from a distance. That is the campus wherein study. The campus called Cairo University, which is in the city of Ternate. We have arrived at campus. The two girls are my classmates. Their names are Fanny and Uli. Arrived in the classroom. Now I am listening to the material given by the lecturer. The material given by the lecturer this time is the basic of programming, and next to me is my class friend. Her name is Hilda. I am a bit bored here because, to be honest, I am still very sleepy and the time still also takes a long time to finish, about an hour later. And this is the atmosphere in our class like this, and that's our visitor. His name is Mr. Ali, and the drink in front of me, and is Linda. She's a very good person, okay? Finally finished the course and my friend are ready to go